It's iPhone day and I have the iPhone 16 Pro in natural titanium color variant in the house. I have also ordered the iPhone 16 Pro in the new desert titanium color. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to see that unboxing next. With that said, without further ado, let's get back to the unboxing. The iPhone 16 Pro comes in a premium cardboard box. There are two tabs at the back. You can peel them off to get access to the phone. Like last year, we are presented with the back side of the phone, and I must say the iPhone 16 Pro in natural titanium color looks gorgeous. I will compare it with the iPhone 15 Pro in natural titanium in a minute, but first let us take a look at the box's contents. You get a USB-C to USB-C charging wire in the box. The wire is braided and of high quality. I wish they introduced color matched wires like they do with the MacBooks, but that's not the case. All iPhone 16 models ship with the same white wire. There's minimal paperwork here and there are no Apple stickers. Apple aims to reach the carbon neutral status by 2030 and hence has removed all plastic from its packaging, so no Apple stickers this year. I am someone who never found a use for the Apple stickers, so it doesn't matter to me. Are you someone who is going to miss the stickers? Let us know in the comments. Now, it's peel time. That always feels good. Let me bring my iPhone 15 Pro in and check on all the differences. They almost look the same, but the natural titanium color shade is slightly different. I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not, as the difference is almost imperceptible, but it is there. The iPhone 16 Pro is also slightly taller and wider than the iPhone 15 Pro. It's because the phone packs a bigger 6.3-inch display. It doesn't feel bigger in the hands, but looking them side by side, you can clearly notice the increased proportions. Talking about the display, the bezels have become even thinner this year, and that's something you will notice immediately. It's almost edge to edge. Watching content will become even more immersive this year. The iPhone 16 Pro comes with a new camera control button that allows you to launch the camera, capture photos and videos, and change several camera parameters. I will make an in-depth video explaining this feature after I take it through the ringer. For now, here are the basics. You can press it once to launch the camera and press it again to capture a photo. You can long press the button to start recording a video. Lifting your fingers off the button will stop the recording, and I don't know how I feel about that. By default, you can slide your fingers on the camera control to zoom in and out. You can change that with double half press on the camera control. It will give you a menu of different camera settings such as exposure, f-stops and more. You can select any of these settings and slide your fingers to adjust them. It's going to take some time to get used to camera control, but after using it just for a few minutes, I will say that it's quite intuitive. Another thing I'm excited about is the bigger battery. The iPhone 16 Pro packs a 3582 mAh battery, which is almost 10% larger than the 3274 mAh battery on the iPhone 15 Pro. Combine that with the more efficient A18 Pro chipset, you should definitely see a boost in battery performance. We will cover all this and more in our iPhone 16 Pro review, so subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. Watch this video next to find out how the iPhone 15 Pro's battery has performed after 7 months of use. If you have any questions you want answered in my full review, drop them in the comments and I will address as many of them as possible. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next one.